Alright guys, so today is the day. It's Monday, it's 11:44. My boss let me off a little bit early. Shout out to Sergeant Aries. Glad she was kind of understanding the situation. We're gonna get back home, change real quick, and head up to Wilson. And I think we're gonna take Mr. Larry with us. We might try to get some racing stories out of him on the way up there or something. It'd be pretty cool. Make a little video out of that. But we're gonna go see what the verdict is on my motor, since everybody thinks I got a hog in it. Kind of excited because I really don't even know what I have in that motor. That motor's been sitting in the floor of my shop for 2 years as the backup, and I took that unsealed motor back out and I dropped it off to get sealed with a mid-E seal so I could get some weight off the car. And hopefully, if all goes well, I'll have 2 mid-E sealed motors, and I won't have to worry about having to run heavier. 2,500 pounds. I can go back down to 2,450. So looking forward to that. It'll make us a little bit more competitive when we go run the UMP races, and I do plan on going and running more UMP races. I ain't scared to go out there and help car count out, and all the seat time I get, it's just gonna make me a better driver. So definitely gonna go to a couple more, and maybe next time we'll get us a good set of M30s and make sure we got the right gear with us. But anyhow, I'll figure out bring y'all along for the ride and let y'all see what all happens when your motor gets pulled and they tear down. So this is a good thing that the series is doing. I understand why he's doing it. Kind of sucks because Donovan and I are first and second in points, and there's another points race this weekend. But I'm sure we'll be able to get everything taken care of. As y'all might have heard me say in the past couple videos, I really don't care about points this year. I'm wanting to go and run a couple different tracks, couple bigger races, and because the more big races I go to, hopefully the channel will grow, and above all, I'm going to grow as a driver, and just have that resume, but anyhow, trying to get our name out there, and eventually maybe drive for somebody again. I used to drive a sprint car for a fellow out of South Carolina, and that was pretty fun, and taught me a lot. The biggest thing is it taught me how to take care of a race car, because I didn't want to tear up somebody else's race car, and it helps me now because I'm a little bit more conservative driver than I was back when I was 16, 17 years old, and it saves me money week to week, which helps put money in other places. Also, it kind of taught me how to broadcast myself, network myself, and I'm very fortunate this year. I finally have broke through and got a couple really awesome sponsors, and I'm very appreciative for them, because some of the stuff I really couldn't do without them. Having fresh tires on the car week to week is really good, and that's key, because this car, it loves eating tires, which I will say, David Mitchell had that track Saturday night. That track was awesome. That was the best track I've been on, and I thought it was great at that Mid-East race, but man, that track was phenomenal, and hardly any ruts. I don't know if it's because there's only 4 classes or what, but it was pretty good to me, and I just want to say thank you to David real quick, because I know he puts a lot of time into the track, and not everybody realizes how much time it takes to go into a racetrack, and this man, he's coming out of his pockets, and this is his day job. But just want to say thank you to all the track staff and all, and it's pretty cool that we got that caliber of a racetrack right here, 30, 40 minutes from the track or from my house. But we're gonna keep on keeping on. We're hoping not to let this engine situation set us back. We're gonna get the motor back in. We got a pretty resilient crew. Got a lot of guys behind me, and appreciate all the guys that believe in me and help me out. It means the world to me. Of course, it's like Mr. Larry, my dad, and all those guys, but Mr. Ronnie, they've been around since I started racing modifieds. And now I've got people like Adam and Jamin, Jerry. I met all those guys through Legends Racing back in, I guess it was February, but we're having fun with it, and just going to try to keep on getting better week to week, and still got to work on driving a little bit, but we're going to run up here and let Mr. Larry know I'm off work, get him ready to go, and if y'all need anything as far as automotive work and stuff, and y'all are in like the Vass, Carthage, or Spring Lake area or whatever, Fayetteville, make sure y'all come out here and check out B&L Auto Parts, because definitely knows his stuff. He's been a mechanic all his life, and if y'all just need good quality parts, Miss Brenda will hook y'all up. But anyhow, we'll catch y'all later, and here in a couple hours when we head up the road. Alright guys, so me and Mr. Larry, we just got up here to Rouse Racing Engines, and we're gonna go see what the verdict is on this motor. Don't think we got anything to worry about. Might try to get some good old fashioned racing stories from you out of Mr. Larry on the way home. We'll leave that up to him. I don't know how he feels about a camera on him, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna get in here and we're gonna see what we can do. Oh my God, boy. 65 pounds. They supposed to be 80. Yeah. Wore slap ass out.
What was it, 127?
Man, I'm telling you, these boys about to be really pissed off.
270, and then
And that's what happens when you let it sit in the shop for, 2 years. You don't back the damn rockers off.
Yeah, it's good on road pressure. It's
Yeah.
really 190.
Yeah. Huh. Push that to the side. You got another one? Yeah, right there. Yeah, so that one's good.
You heard it. Jason Walls himself. Ain't no hog here. Alright guys, so we're on the way home. We're gonna stop and get us a bite to eat. Pretty good feeling to know that we were that daggum quick, and Valve Springs only had about 65 pounds of seat pressure, which is 15 pounds or so less than what it should have. But that motor sat in the shop floor for a year and a half, and smart me didn't take the pressure off of it. So we're gonna get it back right when we get the other motor back and put it back in. Hopefully be racing this weekend. I reckon we're gonna make a post here in a little while, and Jason's gonna make his post or whatnot. But we're headed to the house. Mr. Larry said y'all weren't worthy of his stories. He didn't want to talk to no camera. We'll get him out of him one day. But anyhow, I told him that everybody thinks we're cheating because his history, him and Mr. Ronnie. Everybody thinks because you're fast you got to be cheating, but we just got a hooked up race car. And like I say, y'all want to get with us? Get up with Ryan. That's the only way you're gonna get around us. You're gonna be following us if you don't. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Check out the race video that I posted earlier today, and keep us on going. I think we hit 400 subscribers here, well, actually today, a couple hours ago. So appreciate that. Y'all keep on hitting that button and all that kind of good stuff. But anyhow, we appreciate y'all, and we'll see y'all later.